guitar is good. If we're singing, if we're shouting and singing, that's really good. If we're singing and super duper louder, that's really not good. If we go, oh baby, it's really, really ouchy. If we get all baby and slice off, okay. It's not really, but it's so ouchy. If there were this, if everyone this bullet and this backbone, if he didn't ask to, that's really not.